Assalamu alaikum. I am Anzla Farhan and final year software engineering student from Maran University of Engineering and Technology, Jamshoro. I am currently enrolled in batch 19 of interns program, and for my final project I have come up with this e-commerce beauty store in which we are selling face cream, makeup, fragrances. So first let me show you the homepage of my site. As you can see, the homepage of our site, featured products. These products are coming directly from our database. Three products are on the sale, one product is out of stock as it is shown here. You can add these items directly to the wish list. Original price and sale price is also written over here, and the this image carousel is also shown over here, and testimonials of happy clients are also shown here. Latest products which we will have recently added are shown over here, and you can also subscribe to our email. This is the footer of our site. To save our time, I've already loaded these pages. This is the about us page in which we have told about our company, that what is the beauty store about. As you can see, the features of our products. This is all about the about us page. So now let's see the contact us page. If you have for example, if you have any query, any suggestions, any complaints regarding this beauty store, you can just fill out the form, and the form data will be sent to the site owner or administrator. In contact us page, we have also added the location of our site through Google Maps, our timings, our phone numbers, our follow up links. Okay, so now let's come to the my contact account page. In my account page, I'm already logged in. If I want to log out and if I want to register some other email address, I can also do that. You can see that all my account details, my wish list, my orders will be shown over here. Let's check the demo of orders which I have placed in this store through this email ID. So you can see that my January order, my February order, my today order is also shown over here, and my account details will also be shown over here. You can see my account details. Okay, so in shop we have three categories: face cream, makeup, and fragrances. To save the time, I have already loaded this. So in face cream we have 8 results. You can see that in the sidebar we have search bar through which we can search our specific product. For example, if I want to search this item, so it will show me a quick result of this product. So you can see I can purchase the item from that. Okay, so if I want to filter by price, if I my range is only from 800 to 2010 rupees, so I can filter my items accordingly. So that's the okay. So now you can see that all the products in the range from 800 to 2000 are shown here. My recently viewed products are shown here. My product categories are shown over here. If I want to do the sorting, for example, if I want to show you the sort by price, low to high. So let's see. All the items will be prices will be arranged accordingly, low to high. Can see that it is starting from 800 and going towards the 2000. Okay, so in makeup we have these 8 items. You can see, and again filter by price, sorting methods, and recently viewed products. Product categories are also there. And in fragrances we have also 8 items. Okay, now let me show you the demo of purchasing, how the purchase feature will work over here. Okay, so this item is on sale. As you can see that we it previously it was 2200, now it is 1000. Product short detail is shown over here, product description is shown over here, related products are shown over here, and you can hover over it to see the minor details of this fragrance. If you want to increase the quantity, you can add that. If you want to add to cart, you can do that. If you want to add to wish list, you can do that. So I'm adding it to the cart, and I'm also adding to the wish list to show you that how these both features will work. You can see that it is added to the cart. Let's view the cart. We will view the wish list later on. Okay, So now it's added to the cart, and if I want to update my cart, for example it's one, if I want to increase the quantity, so I can also do that. But for now I am purchasing two items, so I'm updating the cart. It will take some time to process. Okay, so now my shipping charges will vary from zone to zone. If I'm from Pakistan, shipping charges will be accordingly that, and if I'm from another zone, then shipping charges will be accordingly that. So now let's proceed to the checkout. Okay, so as you can see that I have already filled the details, that's why it's not asking me again and again, and I have previously placed the order to the site. Okay, so payment will be done through direct bank transfer or cash on delivery. As you all know that PayPal is not available in Pakistan, so we have two options available here. So we can place the order, and we have to wait for few seconds as the order is processed. Okay, so once the order will be processed, it will show me the order details like the order number and all that. But let's wait a few seconds. Okay, so as I said earlier, that order number, payment method, email, all these are shown here. Okay, so now let me show you the wish list. I have added one item previously in wish list, which I told you that I will show you later on. So this item I previously added yesterday, today, and this item I added right now. Okay, so now if I want to apply some actions like I want to remove this item, I can also do that. So you can see that this item is removed from wish list. If I want to share this on any social media platform, I can also do that. Okay, now come to the dashboard. In dashboard, you can see that we have 29 items. Some items are in stock. You can see the stock status. Some items are out of stock. Some items are in back order. And now let me show you the orders. We have recently made a purchase, so it will be shown over here. So you can see that 1 minute ago we have placed order. Let me it now, if I will click this, it will show me the receipt of that order, that what's the order status and all the related details. You can see here, if I order is completed, I can simply change its status to completed. It will again take some few seconds to process. Okay, so now you can see that order is completed. If I want to show you the users of this e-commerce store, then it will show me the users, all the logged users. You can see that all the logged users are shown over here. So that's all from my side. I hope you will like it.